Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download the OBS Studio screen recorder for free on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the OBS Studio screen recorder for free on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of OBS Studio, since that's where we will download their app. So just search for obsproject.com on your search bar. And now, to download the app here on the website, you just have to select a download button depending on your device right here. In my case, I'm using a Windows PC, so this is what I will select. And after that, your OBS installer file will now start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So right here, you just have to click the next button repeatedly until you reach this page. And then on this page, you can now click the install button. And after that, your OBS Studio will now start installing. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, the app will now be opened. And now, to start screen recording here, you will need to add a source first. So just click this plus icon at the bottom left corner under the sources section. And then many sources option will appear, but for screen recording, we will select display capture. And then click OK. And then here, I want you to click the drop-down on display option and then just select the monitor that you're using. This will tell OBS which monitor they will record during the screen recording. And after that, you will now have a source, so you can now start recording your screen by clicking this. And now once your recording is done, it will now be saved to the specific video saving directory set on your OBS Studio. But if you don't know where that is, just open Settings. And then go to Output. And here, you will now see the recording path which specifies the saving directory of your recordings. So if you want to find it, just copy this directory. And then go to File Explorer. And then just paste it right here. And after that, there it is. You will now see your OBS screen recording here in this folder, so you can now watch it. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.